everyone, welcome to my Fluid Art channel. My name is Rhonda Robson, and if you are returning, thank you so much for joining me. It's all about you that this channel is being done. And if you're new, thank you for joining me and welcome. So today I'm really excited about this one because I've been trying to do a lot of minimalistic, a lot of negative space paintings, and this one is just a simple swipe. I used a cell activator, and the funny thing is I thought I had my formula correct. I did a lot of experimenting and I had forgotten I had already did my formula that worked, and I just really didn't do it. I need to watch my own videos. Anyway, so this one, it's nice. I like it. I think you're gonna like it a lot. But I also realized after I went to bed, it's like, wait, I think I already have that formula and I didn't need to reinvent it. But anyway, I'm gonna show you this one. It's got some really cool metallics in it. It's got a bronze, purple, blue, a red kind of bronze color in it, and gold. I think you're gonna like this one. All right, let me get you down the canvas. Talked way too much already. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And if you already subscribe, again, thank you very much for joining me. All right, well, let's get you down the canvas. Bye for now. Bye. Okay, so this right here is 2 parts of my mix to 1 part paint. And the mix is 3 parts Floetrol and 1 part GAC. And then my paint is the titanium white from Master's Touch. So I'm gonna kind of create a little bit of a pillow here. And since I've already painted this, I'm going to blend it into this white over here. And if I need more, that's fine too. So, okay. So I'm going to take my gold first. My bronze, or it's the red bronze. Here comes the purple. And then there's the blue. And then the actual metallic bronze. Okay, so I'm going to put those off to the side. Get my cell activator here. And my swiping tool, which I'm going to use this as my swiping tool. And I need my brush. So I'm going to put this along here. Okay, and now I'm going to take my swiping tool and go across. And I'm only going to do it 1 time, and I'm going to try to make it nice and fluid motion, okay? Just like that. I need a little bit more white over here. didn't do as much as I really wanted it to. So I'm gonna try it again. Let's put some purple down here in between the gold. And then think? Oh, shoot. I like it. I'm sorry, I messed up by tilting it towards myself and not towards you, so you didn't get to see some of the way I tilted it. But yeah, I like it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'd like to bring this part up just a little bit. So I'm gonna tilt that just a little bit to see. I think I'm just gonna leave that just like that. I hope you like that. What do you think? I need a tool. There is a mark over here that I want to. Sides look good over there. Not too bad over here. Okay, that's what it looks like. Just something simple. All right, I'm gonna go put it in its drying place, and then we're gonna try another one. Different kind, different colors maybe, but something similar. Although this one, I wish I would have put in paint on the whole thing, because now it's going to be a little textured through this area here, and I wasn't necessarily looking for texture, but anyway, all right, let me go do that.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.